This is Steven just prattling along about vitamin water and how there's nothing nutritious in it except water. And I figured this was a good spot to do voiceover because I screwed up the sound on the camera when he was videoing himself talking about the vitamin water, which was quite funny. So I'm sorry, folks. I was remiss in how I set up the camera.
But it's not really, it's got a lot of stuff in it. But they made it look as though it was like something that had extra things, vitamin, water, energy. And it's apparently that's a load of BS. I've got it on good authority from the competition. Fire it up. So we're finally on the road. It's taken a bit of time. What did you have to repair?
Well, the car is a bit weepy and it has a blown out shock on the right rear. We had to check all the fluids, fix the headlights, and get ourselves some vitamin water. Otherwise, it wasn't too bad. Seems to be behaving.
We've met a couple of that's in Hull, which is a shithole, but it's in Hill. So I haven't got my new glasses on. Are you filming me filming?
I'm filming you filming.
Well, one of us is going to have to turn off, so it's going to be me. I think this one may well.
You can see the batteries.
I barely stuck my hand in there and... Huh? The shock?
Shock's leaking.
Yeah.
That's good to know. I'm videotaping you.
Hi.
Here we are, Sparks, Nevada, and we're getting good service.
Great service.
What do you think, Stephen?
What do I think? I think it needs a bit of TLC, and I think it didn't like the third-party driver. That's what I think. So I think everything will all settle down there. Obviously, we've already fixed the rear ends by you being in it. The balance was all wrong. Was he? Is he a skinny guy?
He's very skinny. Very
That's the problem. See, it's
so I've settled it down.
One side and me the other.
I settled it down.
Just one skinny guy.
No. So, can I interview you?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. Do you like old cars?
Fucking right at
What do you think of that one?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, we've driven across country twice. This time we had a kid take us out this far.
Really?
What's your favorite old car?
57 Chevy.
Perfect.
But I'm a Ford man. I love Fords.
I'd like to find a 47 Dodge Power Wagon. That's what I'd like. Big wheels on it.
Look around here, man. There's all kinds of old cars around here.
Kind of desert stuff, right? Well, I'm looking forward to this. We're going to be driving down toward Placerville, then into Folsom, then across, then up. Go all the way
What's
up.
it doing? Catching on fire.
Well, the
On
kid...
the carburetor now, there should be a little thing right there. Sometimes they start leaking like a pump. That's probably what was going on.
Well, what happens, we had to prop the fan cowling up because it was hitting the blade.
Yeah.
The kid put a wad of paper towels in there, and they shot off into the headers.
So, but at least he was quick enough to put it out. That's your birthday present, Stephen.
I like
The detail. He said he thinks it came from Burning Man.
remote neutral access mind control. This must have been the version.
Tasty animals.